That's cool. And this guy's on my back. And I thought they had the vote already. I guess it's at 8:30. I don't know what the hell you're watching today.
They're just dragging it out, man. I don't know. It's a YouTube video that was that's what we were watching. That is still going on.
I really thought we were watching the vote for. Yeah, funny. So there's something that happened today here, especially even now. Do you guys see what's happening?
Sorry.
Your 2023 debt value area high was here, 41.96, and I mean we just fell inside. So by the rules of profiles, right? If you can't hold it there, you're most likely going to visit the other side. And I would say this month, this month's done. So now if you check this out, this is now shifted up a little bit. POC is still here. This 2023 POC is still there. So I would just make sure that you guys have this level here on the bottom, because I'm pretty sure there goes 4,000. They're going to be targeting that soon. So they tried to break it here. Obviously, we had the 2022 value area high as well. Not able to go. So between these two levels, I'm pretty sure, higher odds we're going to hit this one. But then the ultimate target is here now. So sweet, we didn't get that clear breakout.
So what is that developing value area high for 2023?
3.
Shorty?
Yeah. That's just
No.
get the profile.
Yeah.
This is just our profile 2023 starting in January to current, right? So this is just developing. I don't put a lot of emphasis on developing, but you could take 6 months. I mean, you could count it as 6 months right now, or
Sorry, I'm just asking for the level because I can't see it.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
4202. Let's see.
Okay.
It is 848. It is 4204.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
Thought I had changed these levels. Well, now they're migrated. So this is a heavy level here from big boys right here. This is gonna be, if we pass this, then we can expect to, clean up this POCs, the 2x POCs, take that over. They could have a major run. Otherwise, I think we're a little bit bearish, right? We have a short cover rally. We fixed the majority of this profile. We have a little bit left here. If sellers can't take out this 4153 tomorrow or whenever, coming weeks or days, you can expect a major rally in that case. I would expect us that we come here and we have a major bounce here, but let's see. Because if you look, this is where you had this huge imbalance. I mean, this was the put taking, to the shed and beating it up, kind of run up here. And then they're coming back to that level. So I would expect a bounce, and this is the fair price, right? The 53. We know about that level for a long time. So let's see here. Hide the dailies for a second. Look where the 50% is of this run up. Right, we're expecting a bounce. I think we're gonna bounce here. So they already bounced at 41.74, which is pretty strong here. If you think about it, it's about 30 something, 30 points, 27 points. So if you lose this, 76, you could potentially short this all the way to here, 53, and then I would probably look to get out of there, get out of the puts at this level here. You see this volume node. I'm pretty sure if they're able to defend this, we're gonna shift this POC up a little bit. And that would be progressive for the bulls, shifting the POC up. On the daily, I'm sorry, in the daily sessions, as I said here. So you have to note that you have the value areas, they start the overlap. POC is lower, then they have the value areas making lower lows, right? And you see uptick in selling, right? So is that good or bad?
It shows real selling.
Yeah, shows real selling because you're progressing lower in value areas, volume is there, right? And the POCs, the means are shifting down. On this run up, we showed last time when you're running up, the POC didn't really shift up, the cumulative. And here, of course, the POC shifted up. But I'm pretty sure we're going to be coming here. If we lose this, then I would say 39, and then you have the VPOC here as well. And this might be a good area for a bounce as well, because they've held this 3 times so far. Right here. Okay. I mean, not much till you see what they do with this vote, honestly. I thought the vote was going to be in. But so we have a double distribution today. If you guys remember, we had the volume here, they ran it up, and then we expected a close below the POC, and they did. Profile's telling you more downside tomorrow. They just got to take out this high volume node here.
Earlier was a practice vote, so they don't mess it up.
Are you kidding me?
I'm completely joking.
Oh, I was about to say, wow. Okay. And Sunday, I'm gonna schedule a watch list for the stocks where we're gonna run a couple of scans. So if you can, maybe plan for 2 hours. We'll start 9 a.m. Eastern and then go from there. I'll schedule it now.
Could you look at a stock while you're on here before you head out? Once you're done with the US.
Yeah, 1 second. Yeah, which one?
SoFi.
Yeah. So you're gonna give me something.
What? You thought it was gonna be something terrible, probably?
Oh,
Hey,
wow.
guys.
I mean, it did. I don't know who asked last time about SoFi, but we did say if it comes back to these levels, it's not a bad ad because the risk to reward was great. I don't know if you guys recall it. So, I mean, they have a chance to push here to 975. I think that's what they're going to do.
I
And
took
noticed
7 calls today.
it seems like you like to buy calls on a breakout, so that's just not my forte.
Yeah, I mean, I got them. I saw them on Black Box. They came in for like 10 buck, 0.10. And I got in at 0.12, and they closed at 19 per contract.
No, that's not bad.
Just a little shy of in the money.
Yeah, it's almost there. I mean, and this was the last time. This was a sell-off here. So let's see if they're able to take that supply. If they take that out, I don't see a reason why they can't go to 8. And there's buying here, obviously. If you look at the daily, there's serious buying on SoFi here.
Mm-hmm.
I have some shares, not a lot, on SoFi. Probably should have added more. I just
I had shares that my average is 476.
mine's higher than that.
Oh.
I think I'm just now green. I'll check.
I just recently got into it share wise.
Yeah, but I don't plan on selling any of this crap.
Mhm.
Let's see what's my average. I'll tell you. All right. So
I
far,
don't even think I've been in it.
694.
Oh, nice.
Look where he
Wow.
Right
That right here. Yeah. Nice. I haven't been holding it for more than always
I don't know
a
where I
year,
got it.
6
I
months.
don't know if I got it here. I don't know where I got it, honestly.
Okay.
Yeah. Keep an eye
Thanks
on
for checking it out.
TLT here. I think TLT is finding a new range here, just FYI. So they had this. They're finding a new range now higher. So they're not dropping below. We had a hammer here. So if you go on daily, there's some decent buying here. I did
That's
add
that.
some shares
That's
here.
the triple leverage, the one I told you about.
Isn't it TFM?
Yeah, that's the triple leverage of that. TLT.
What was it? TMF?
I
TMF.
think so. Yeah, let me double
There
check.
it goes. Yeah, there it goes. Yeah, I did add TMF. Let me make sure. Yeah, I have TMF and I got filled on Coke. Okay.
Is Home Depot low enough yet to add?
I want to
And
add
how
this.
low?
But let's see.
How low would you want Target before you start looking at more shares there?
I don't want. They're gonna bounce here. I mean, but this is not a level that we want.
We want lower.
Man, their sales are representative to the 2008 levels.
I see.
So I just can't justify paying so much for a stock fundamentally right now. And if I was to go here, you know, and look at it, so we just fell inside this value area.
Mm-hmm.
We have this node here, 252, which I honestly think they can retest, which would be kind of like COVID highs.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That would be somewhere around here, and I'm watching this as well. So
Okay.
maybe nimble here, but honestly, I'm not interested at 250s. I'm interested
Yeah. Right.
somewhere in this range. I'm interested, and I know it's like, hey, but that's not real. It's not gonna happen. It will happen.
Yeah, I was looking at that and I was thinking, maybe kind of the node that you're at, this general area might be, but I
Chance, yeah,
didn't
250.
think.
We're gonna bounce here. I promise. I know we're gonna bounce here,
Yeah.
but
But I didn't know if we were getting lower to like COVID lows or anything like that.
I think if we get 176-ish on this, is pretty good. And same as cat. I think cat's headed now to 176, and that's where my buy order is sitting again. Think about it. We're on 270 now. It's at 205.
Yeah.
I'm planning on adding more. I added some in 98, so I plan on adding more on this.
Mm.
It's coming up to this. I think it's gonna bounce here, and I plan on adding a handful here. 78. So this is, you're gonna bounce here somewhere at 90. And think about it, if they announce something similar like Zscaler, right? They're dumping it for no reason.
Mm-hmm.
And then Zscaler popped. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's a giant candle, $50. So that's what I'm watching, 3M. And then CLX, I'm still waiting. We're too far. There it goes, finally. This is what I wanted to see on CLX. You guys remember, CLX was in this range for so long. And I think it's finally coming back to it right here. But I think we can catch it somewhere here. This is my target, 128-ish, 130 to get the shares on this one. It's a really good company. I don't know if you guys got shares of this, but it's finally taking a break from our entry at 70s. It went all the way to 91, $20 on this. So I think it has potential to visit this again here. There's one here that I'm watching. You guys, I mean, I know you guys know the product, but has anyone bought shares of Kraft Heinz?
I have some.
Yeah, I'm watching this one as well. I want to add it because they split there, right? This was a different company. They split, so that's why I'm watching this right now. The range is 44 to about 23. If I can catch 23, I buy it. This is a 10-year hold, and if I can catch this at 23 and let it ride to 100, I'll take that any day.
Yeah, they pay good dividend too.
Yeah, so I'd watch this. And on Sunday, what we can do is in the spreadsheet, I think it can be kind of like an effort. Like, you know, Bean told me about the TMF. If we add maybe different, you know, tabs on the spreadsheet for like the leveraged KSN, if we or options, we add leveraged, unleveraged, and ideas and target prices. And I think we can like keep it updated once a month. Maybe like twice a month, mid-month, we just check, see if the prices hit and update it. So that way people get an idea like how, you know, at least what I'm doing with the portfolio.
You can Google Drive link those things and then just pull the stock prices and shit into them too.
Well, maybe you can help me with that. I'm not that.
Yep.
That'd be good.
That would be nice.
Yeah, I think that'd be fun for everybody actually to see it, especially if you have, I don't know if you guys know about your 401ks, but companies don't tell you that you can do a brokerage link. And some admins on your brokerage links don't have limitations of you buying mutual funds only. Sometimes you can buy shares as well, meaning you transfer money from 401k and you buy, it's still your 401k, but it's just that you have a little bit more freedom what you want to purchase. So it's not a bad idea. My 401k doesn't allow that, but I can buy mutual funds. So. Losing 345 is going to be important for Qs. All right, well, let's see what this happens. I'm going to keep my eye on the charts tonight a little bit, see what they do here, but coming up on a good short on PDPOC here, so. Okay.
All right. Thanks, Shorty.
All right, guys.
Thank you.
See you tomorrow.
Thanks, Shorty.
Okay.
Yep.
See ya.
Have a good night, guys.